at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna make some sweet and sour stew chicken. Yes. So in my bowl right here, I've got 4 pieces of my chicken breast, okay, that's already washed and clean. And I also have bell peppers off. I have the red, as you can see, and I also have the green and yellow, and I also have half onion that I cut, and this is how I cut it. These are some of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I also have 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go and share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much. Stay tuned. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna briefly flatten down my chicken breast, so when I'm cooking it, it is even to cook. So that's the reason why. I'm gonna take one of these food hammer and just smash it, you know. Yeah, that's perfect. So guys, now I'm just gonna cut my chicken and just show you on how I cut it. I'm just gonna cut them in, you know, dice sizes. Yeah. Yeah, like so. So now as my chicken cut, guys, I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. Yeah, that's perfect. So guys, now I'm gonna season my chicken. So I'm just gonna firstly add 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. Then I'm gonna add at least 3 cloves of garlic and some ginger, at least 1 tablespoon of my fresh ginger. See, this is how I cut it, so I'm just gonna add it just like so. Then I'm gonna add some of my dark soya sauce, at least 2 tablespoons of my dark soya sauce. Yeah, that's it. And some ketchup, at least 1 tablespoon of my ketchup. Then I'm just gonna briefly blend my seasoning and just add it. I'm not gonna add everything, I'm gonna leave back some. Just gonna put it in one bowl. Then guys, I'm just gonna mix it all in. And you can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? So this is it. That's done. Nicely seasoned. So now guys, my pot is on my stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 tablespoons of my olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my chicken because my oil is already heated up, okay? This is the garlic. So guys, I'm just gonna allow them to fry it for at least 3 minutes on each side, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. It's nice and brown. So now guys, I'm just going to remove them from my pot. Got them nice and pretty. Super delicious. So guys, this is the same pot that I use to fry my chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I did wash it because I'm just gonna add my onion in there. So that's the onion and the ginger that left back in the bowl that I was seasoning my chicken. So I'm just gonna add it to my pot, just like so. And I'm also gonna add my onion. And I also have some more ginger that I cut, at least 1 teaspoon, and I'm just gonna add it. I'm just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 30 seconds, okay? Then I'm gonna also add my bell peppers. Here I have at least 1 tablespoon of my fresh thyme and at least 1 stalk of scallion that I cut and washed. So I'm just gonna add it all. Guys, this smells so good. I'm gonna leave it for at least 20 seconds, okay? So guys, the same bowl that I use to season my chicken, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of my hot water. And I'm also gonna add all my remaining seasoning. Gonna give it a stir. Now I'm just gonna add it just like so. Then I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my ketchup, 1 tablespoon to 1.5. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add some more of some dark soya sauce, 2 teaspoons, some brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any more seasoning, you can always add, okay? I'm just gonna leave it for it to come to a boil just a bit, then I add my chicken. So now that it has come to a boil, I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? Look at that. Just gonna add it all. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. Guys, may I tell you, this looks so delicious and so mouth-watering. This recipe is a must try. Absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 6 minutes and it is finished. Okay, good to go. You can cover my pot, or you can just half cover it. So guys, just after 6 minutes, this is what it look like. It looking super delicious, so mouth-watering. Look at that sauce, super yummy. I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my honey. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it for 1 minute and then it is ready, good to go.
Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
So guys, it is all finished. So I just turn off my stove and I'm telling you, as you can see, the gravy is nice and thick, and that's exactly what you want. This is so delicious. This recipe, guys, as I said, it is a must try. The chicken is so nice and so juicy and perfectly cooked. You don't want your sweet pepper to cook out too much, okay? You want to see your pot pop with all that pretty color. So now, guys, as you can see, I'm just plating up my sweet and sour stewed chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I really appreciate it. You can serve it with rice, with mashed potato, with whatever you preferred, okay? Yes. So there you have it. This is how I make my sweet and sour stewed chicken. I'm telling you, it is sell off. Your family, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Super yummy. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all.